Welcome to HFD Hydraulics. In today's video, we're putting safety front and center as we dive into the best practices for working with hydraulic valves. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these tips are essential to ensure a safe and efficient workspace. Let's get started. Before we jump into safety practices, it's important to have a basic understanding of what hydraulic valves do. Hydraulic valves control the flow, direction, and pressure of fluids in a hydraulic system. They play a crucial role in system efficiency and safety. If not handled properly, they can pose serious risks, so knowing your equipment is the first step toward a safe working environment. First things first, gear up. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment when working with hydraulic valves. This includes safety glasses to protect your eyes from fluid leaks, gloves for hand protection, and safety shoes to prevent foot injuries. Depending on the task, you might also need hearing protection or a face shield. Ensure that you and your team are properly trained and certified to work with hydraulic systems. Understanding the operation, maintenance, and emergency procedures for hydraulic valves is crucial. Regularly update your knowledge and skills to stay current with industry standards and new safety regulations. Hydraulic valves should be regularly inspected and maintained to prevent accidents. Check for signs of wear, leaks, or damage before using any valve. If you notice any issues, address them immediately. Don't wait until it becomes a bigger problem. Proper maintenance not only ensures safety but also extends the life of your equipment. Hydraulic systems operate under high pressure, which can be dangerous if not handled correctly. Always relieve the pressure before performing any maintenance or repair work. Never attempt to adjust or repair a valve while the system is under pressure. Use pressure gauges and other monitoring tools to keep track of the system's pressure levels and ensure they are within safe operating limits. When transporting or storing hydraulic valves, make sure they are properly secured to prevent them from falling or getting damaged. Store them in a clean, dry area away from direct sunlight and corrosive substances. Handling valves carefully reduces the risk of injury and keeps your equipment in top condition. Accidents can happen even with the best precautions. Make sure your workplace is prepared for emergencies. This includes having an emergency shut-off plan, knowing how to quickly depressurize the system, and having spill kits and first aid supplies readily available. Conduct regular drills to ensure everyone knows what to do in case of an emergency. Safety should always be your top priority when working with hydraulic valves. By following these best practices, you can protect yourself, your team, and your equipment. Remember, at HFD Hydraulics, we're committed to providing you with the highest quality products and the best safety advice to keep your operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our website for more tips and information. Stay safe and see you next time.